Yep. You're in the contest, right? No, well, I was hoping maybe, but hey, whatever. So you could be the winner. Alrighty. Well, we're up here for the first event. This is the first time this VFW did this event. Rodeo for veterans and stuff. As you can see, the Field of Dreams is set up. So I don't know what's going on out here. I guess we're doing a weenie bite, a couple other things, and I guess there's a burn up at the top, which I don't see people doing because I don't want to ruin my tire. This place actually has a firing range. There's the parapet. There's a pedal there to shoot and everything else. So, but hey, we'll see what videos I get today. This will be pretty cool. And I guess they got a band set up, some tents, do some cooking, 50-50, and all that stuff. So this will be pretty neat. We'll get back to you once things start happening. I get some more good video. Alrighty. Well, we're up here at the top level. I got sign ups, sign in. God knows where everybody went to. They must be inside the bar. Sign in table. Our bikes parked over there. Hopefully they should be laying out rows to park bikes, but I don't see them doing that. It's a nice big flat lot. Got speakers and DJ here and sign in table. Alright, we're still cranking along here at the VFW up in Hopewell. Yes, it is. I'm gonna check out all the bikes. We've got a couple rows of them here.
Hey, don't forget, if you're just coming in, you gotta go up to the front tent, get a wristband.
I'll even say hi. Whoop. I was trying to catch you dancing. Now you get the camera on fast enough.
Don't forget, they're selling these tickets too. We had a $100 winner already, a couple of them.
Alrighty.
Make sure you buy these tickets.
Thank you. Alrighty. Looks like the band took a time off, and they're getting ready to set up these games here. We get something happening. Yeah, cornhole tournament. Some other stuff happening.
Is he coming? Good.
What's that yellow one again?
He was like, I was like, you ride the boat?
Say hi, girls.
He's like, I'm riding my dog.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
It's first event, right?
Yeah.
Yep. You're in the contest, right? No, well, I was hoping maybe, but hey, whatever. I said you could be the winner.
That back wheel spins, you're on the clock. Let's get it going. When I blow my whistle, come up and hit it. There you go. That's what I want to see. This is young Randy Wilson, people. Wilson Cycles. There you go. How about that, folks? We gotta get some more water. Hold on. was pretty damn good, folks. I wasn't ready for it, though. That was good. Thanks, sir. Better than mine.
Do it again.